We'll guide you through how to fix Instagram allow photo access not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if I come to the bottom of Instagram and I go and click on the plus, it goes and says, please allow access to your photos. You can go and click on enable library access there. When you're here, you may go and then see at the top, there's no option for photos. If you do have the option for it, then go and click on it and click on full access. But if you don't, let's get in some fixes. First of all, what you want to try doing is deleting Instagram and reinstalling it. So hold your finger on the Instagram app, click on remove app and click on delete app. Confirm your decision. And then you can open up the App Store and you can go and download it again. After it has, you can open it up and sign back into your account. Click on the plus button at the bottom of Instagram, press continue, and you should go and get the pop-up, press allow full access, and hopefully that will solve the problem. If that still doesn't work, then what you want to try doing is a forced restart. Tap the increase volume button, then the decrease button, and then just hold down the power button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black, and when you see the Apple icon, release, and your phone will start again. After it started again, come back to your settings, come down to privacy and security, and you can then go and click on photos, go and find Instagram and see if you can then set it to full access like so. See if that goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, what you need to do is come back to your settings and you want to go to general, come to the bottom and you want to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and what you can do is reset your location and privacy settings. Do that and that will hopefully go and solve the problem. You can then open up Instagram after doing that and you should be able to go and give it access.